Hey everybody, it is Liz, and I'm going to walk you through creating the escape room that has a little bit more complicated features than just using Google Slides. This is super fun to create. Once again, you need to start with what you want your students to learn, and then you can create your escape room based on that. And what I loved about this particular use of the Google Forms in this escape room is it really became sort of a close reading activity, as well as an opportunity to review the social studies practices. So, kind of to get you started here. So, I'm going to look at this as a whole, and then we're going to go back and I'm going to show you how to do the variety of things that are here. So, just so you know how the setup is, we've got our image here in our room, and we're going to click here, which is going to take us to a Google form. Then, when we're done with this one, we're going to go back to the escape room and we're going to open the next door based on the clue. And when you do that, we're here, we want to open this one. This is going to require a document that is secured. And I'm going to teach you how to do that in a separate video. But you type in the clue here. This one was Liberty. Hopefully I spelled it right. And we submit. Sometimes you have to click it twice. And then that's going to take us here to our next clue. So notice the multiple layers here. I created a form. Then I made a clue sheet. And then from that, it's going to take people to the next form. So now we're in the next form. And once they get the right answer, we're going to go back and do it again. So back to our escape room. So here we have 7 doors because I knew I wanted to talk about different things. There's images on the doors. We've got a background and we've got password protected documents that take us to Google Forms. So with that in mind, let us go back and kind of get this started. So I'm going to get out of here and here and here and go to our untitled presentation. So if you watch the previous presentation on the just using Google Slides, this is the same. We're going to change our background and we're going to add images. So what we're going to do here, we're going to call this escape room. Let's do this for US history. All right. And then we're going to come here. We're going to change this into change our apply layout. We want this to be blank. Okay, so we got a blank page. Then we're going to go to background right here, click background. Then I want to choose an image. How I did this was super original. I went to Google Images and I typed in room with not lost, lots of doors. Okay, cool. So here we go. Rooms with lots. Let's see what we get. The excitement is killing me. All right. Okay, I want a room with lots of doors, but I don't want it to look like you can get out any other way, right? Oh, look at all these great doors you could use if you just wanted a single door. So there's a whole bunch of choices here, but I particularly liked this one because I just kind of got the mood that I was looking for. So I picked this one as our escape room. Great. It's in, looks awesome. The next thing I want to do is I want to add some images here on my doors so people have somewhere to click. So what I did with this, because you can't just set it up to click here, you could see it. So I want to put an image on the door. So I'm going to insert an image. And once again, I'm going to search the web. But this is very cool. This is where you're going to type in the word transparent. And then we are in US history. So I want a transparent, well, I'm just going to say John Locke because I found him already. So we're going to do John Locke. All right. And this one looks like he's going to be transparent. So I click on him. I'm going to insert him. He's going to be really big and he is transparent. And I'm going to put him on the door. Now, in this particular one, it's okay. Oops, come on. It's okay if they're not transparent, but I just wanted to show you how to do it because it's fun. So here's this transparent John Locke. Get on the door, buddy. Okay, so John Locke is now on the door and he is going to be my link. So when I start making my forms, I'm going to insert a link. First, I got to click on something. I'm going to click on John. See, that is why you need that image, because if you click around there, you aren't going to be able to insert a link. So now I've clicked on John Locke and I'm going to insert my link here. And then whatever that link is, I have nothing to put in there right now. That's going to be the link up to the form. So super easy. Establish your background, type in transparent to get your images. And like I said, on this particular one, it's okay if they're not transparent, but now you know how to do it for if you're using a different type of escape room and you want the image to look like it's in the room. So those are our basic steps of setting up sort of the room for your escape room. And from here, we're going to stop this video and I'm going to do a different video for you on how to make your Google form be perfect for the escape room.